So this is the little 12-volt planer that Bosch made. Quite compact, small plane, quite a small footprint, which is really nice for us because we're often working over curved surfaces. And I was really keen to try this out because there's lots of parts on our board where we're trying to shape material away from a curve, and a really large planer just can't reach because it's got a too big a foot, and it works really well. We get the boards off the CNC and they get their skins on. We use a planer to blend the skins into the rail. We use this plane to take down the bulk of the material, and then we might switch to a hand plane just to do the very final touches. This planer has some really cool features for a plane of its size. Obviously fully adjustable, and it's got this really nice little feature where you can control between probably about 0 to 1 mil, but if you want to go more, you can push this little red button down and go further. But what that means is you can kind of play it safe and just keep it in that area there when you just want to take away a little bit of material at a time. Knob here, you pull that out and you've got a spare blade. These blades are also reversible, so you've got 2 blades, front and the back on that blade, spare one there with a front and the back. A little battery readout there tells you how much battery power you got. You can also move that around and that will change the way that your dust flies. So for us that's really cool because sometimes we're working on this side of the board, really want to see what we're working on, so we want to be able to shoot the dust away from us. And then when we work on the other side of the board, we can put that in there, switch hands, same thing, get rid of the dust from our work area. Nice little compact, lightweight. No, it's really neat.